learning, because of one witch's mistake, the whole forest has got destroyed. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp, means an area of soft wet land. One day a little boy found this bottle. Thinking it, wow, it contained a nice new drink. He swallowed it fully. The germ-like witches took advantage of his situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits, and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger, and wait for them at home. He wasted his time in waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. What kind of food these are? Yes, these all are junk food. The boy has got addicted to these foods. He has stopped eating healthy foods which is prepared at home by his mom. To get these food, he forced his parents to order from restaurants and waste his time in waiting till the food gets delivered to his home. And after receiving food, he sits in front of TV, eat while watching TV, which is very bad thing, which causes indigestion. This happens because they remain more focused on the video rather than what or how much they are eating, and also causes ill health. So we'll see what happens next. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running, and playing with his friends also. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. What is this virus? A virus is a microscopic parasite that can infect living organisms and cause disease. It can make copies of itself inside another organism's cell. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. Okay, this is too bad. We'll see what will happen next in the next video.